May I ask everyone to please stand for the invocation.
Grasya at panalangin, uban sa mapasalamatong kasing-kasing, kami nagaampo diha sa imong pag-ila, sa imong makanunayong giya ug madagayaong grasya sa isla sa Sama. Gimaya ka namo o Diyos sa imong paghatag kanamo ug syudad nga among dangpanan ug pulian. Papuno unta sa grasya ug panalangin, di irang kaming lumulupyo, magkahiusa ug managdait bisan sa mga panaglaing pagtuo o pagsaulog sa mga panag-ingat.
يا الله نسألك بكل تواضع أن تغفر لنا جميع الذنوب وامنحنا السلام الذي يفوق كل فهم حتى تكون جزيرتنا ملاذا لهدوء والوئام. ساعدنا على وضع خلافتنا جانبا والعمل على تحقيق حذف مشترك يتمثل في خلق بيئة سلمية ومحبة للجميع الذين يعتبرون السماء وطنا.
Ligo na kami Ginoo sa pagpuntog sa mga hagit sa kinabuhi ug panalangini kami sa kaalam aron makahimo og maayo nga mga desisyon ug gitugot nga kami magmabilation sa pagtabang ug pagsuporta sa usag-usa. Among pag-ampo nga ang kalampuan ug pag-uswag sa isla sa Samal magpamatuod ug mahimong saksi sa panaghiusa o panagduyog sa mga samalenya.
Awan na magbabaya, niyatigam kami na iyan ikaw, Sidi na Banua. Tigatulong ka namin adun. Mangayo ikaw kami kamo adun sa kamlayong na pag-agad sa pagpanalipod ka namin ng mga iso na singampa sa adun, iyatagan mo sa lupa, Sidi na Banua. Panalangin niya kamo mga iso, iliba na ito mga pangu, nabigatan daw Sidi, na po ay nagkadin Sidi usaman. Isip na kanami bigayaan, nababaskugo na siyudad, gaw yatag mo kanami, yani nabus na bigat pangayo, nami kamo.
Langit mong Amahan, panalangini kami mga kabataan na mahimo unta kaming instrumento sa pagtukod o mabungahong ugma o sa umaabot ng mga subagong syudad sa Saman. Ug nag-ampo kami nga ang imong ugma ug mga panalangin maoy pundasyon o kapasikaran sa tanan namong paggabuhaton. Sa imong pagpangama, itugyan namo sa imong mga kamot ang kaugmaon sa isla. Panalangini kami sa mapadayunang paglambo, kauswagan ug kalinaw. Amen.
ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, kalasan sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka masisingil, sa nanagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ng bagaw. Ang tulat, awit
sila yung sound. Roberts.
Sa malayan at sa magkailan ang iyan, dagat mo'y sagana, langit ang kawangis na iyong ganda, pelas ka ng Davao del Norte. Ang tingkad ng iyong dalawang pisngan, ang iyong kasama isla, ang iyong karagatan, ang kalikasan mo ay yaman ng mamayan, kayaman ang namumukot Island Garden City of Samar, ang isla kong minamahal, paraiso lungsod ng Pilipinas, tahanan ng mga Samareño. Island Garden City of Samar, patuloy ang kaunlaran, mga Diyos marangal at matapat, tayong mga Samareño. Saan man sulok at dako ng mundo, bawat dakong nasunaw ay laging nasa'yo. Ang pangalan at layunin mo'y itayo, mabuhay ka, o Islang pinagpala. Sa iyong paglaya, sa kinapaglaya, sa sanilan mo, sa kaitaasan, isang bayan, isang kabayanan, para sa isang Island Garden City of Samar, ang isla kong minamahal, paraiso lungsod ng Pilipinas, tahanan ng mga Samareño. Island Garden City of Samar, patuloy ang kaunlaran, mga Diyos marangal at matapat, tayong mga Samareño. Island Garden City of Samar, patuloy ang kaunlaran, mga Diyos marangal at matapat, tayong mga Samareño.
Thank you. You may now take your seats. As we begin, let us acknowledge the presence of our esteemed guests. We have the OIC Provincial Director of the Department of Trade and Industry, Davao del Norte Province, Attorney Zerlene Tibaligan. We also have the Executive Assistant for Political Affairs of the Island Garden City of Samar, Mr. Florencio Valera. We also have with us today the official representative from the Office for Research, Development, and Innovation of the Mapua Malayan Colleges of Mindanao, Dr. Jernalyn Logrosa. We also have the Chairman and Committee on Energy, Trade, and Industry, Honorable Renz Alan S. Laporte. And of course, we have the different offices from the local government unit of the Island Garden City of Samar, and of course, our Bat Ninangs. We have Miss Marilyn Roque, Miss Letty Averion, Miss Flor Suarez Hamora, and Miss Ida Berda. We also have with us today Miss Marian Comilang, the Executive Director of the Mindanao Trade Expo. and Mr. Emmy Ingles, our representative from the Divine Advisory Council of the Department of Trade and Industry. Oh yes, and of course, Mr. Jonel Montes, the barangay captain of Tambang. Okay, your support and participation today exemplify the strong collaboration and commitment we share towards sustainable development. To officially welcome us to this event and to speak about the vision that brings us together, please join me in welcoming Ms. Diana Monfort Mont, President of the Philippine Bats for Peace Foundation. Please give her a round of applause.
Welcome, esteemed partners, stakeholders, and distinguished guests. Good morning, everyone. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I extend my warmest greetings to each one of you as we gather today the momentous launching of the DTI Lunsod Lunsal project on Igapos Creative Bamboo Hub for innovation, research, and development. As a board officer of the Philippine Bat for Peace Foundation of SAMAL, I am deeply honored to stand before you in the hallowed grounds of the Montfort Sanctuary, now transformed into epicenter of our collective visions for sustainable development and biodiversity preservation in SAMAL. Today marks the beginning of a journey fueled by our shared commitment of safeguarding not just the bat sanctuary, but the entire ecosystem of SAMAL through the strategic utilization of bamboo, nature's versatile gift to humanity. Bamboo, with its myriad of uses and remarkable sustainable stance as a beacon of hope for our environment and our future generations. We immensely grateful to have in our midst esteemed support of Mayor Aldavid Uy, together with the esteemed members of the City Councilors for Environment, the barangay captains representing the 46 barangays, and the dedicated city tourism officers led by Ms. Rosabel Husgon, Ms. Lolita Marikit, and team. Your unwavering support and dedication to environment conservation serve as an inspiration to all of us. We are privileged to welcome the DTI regional team spearheaded by Acting Regional Director Romeo Castaneda, OIC Provincial Director Attorney Zerlin Balyeque, Industry Development Division Chief Mr. Ariel Nanjesca, Sir Eli Romeo. Our partnership and collaboration signifies the convergence of governmental and grassroots efforts towards a common goal of sustainable development. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to Mapua Malayan Colleges Mindanao, led by Executive Vice President and COO Engineer Alejandro Balado Jr. and Dr. Jeremy Logosca, along with their research team for the Office of Research Development and Innovation. Your expertise and collaboration signifies contribute to the success of our shared vision for sustainable development. The valuable contribution of the Philippine Bat Peace Foundation team, particularly our Director for Special Projects and Ventures, Ms. Mai Ongpinko. Your dedication, leadership, and spearheading this project unify the spirit of innovation and environmental stewardship. Last and certainly not least, to our supporters and future collaborators, DTI Design Advisory Council, Mr. Emmy Ingles, NPE Executive Director Miriam Gumilang, Badminangs, Tita Marilyn Roque, Tita Aida Verga, Tita Leti Berion, Tita Mariflor Suarez Zamora. Your presence here today is a testament to the power of collective actions and shared responsibility. Together, we will pave the way for a brighter, greener future for Samal and beyond. As we embark on this journey together, let us reaffirm our commitment, nurturing our environment, preserving our biodiversity, fostering innovation for sustainable tomorrow. Once again, welcome to the launching of the DTI Lunsad project on Igapos Creative Bamboo Hub for Innovation, Research and Development. Together, let us sow the seeds of change to cultivate the legacy of environment stewardship for generations to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Man, for those welcoming words and for setting a collaborative